Hi guys, my name's David. I'm the director of Think Renewable. Congratulations on choosing to go solar. We're excited to partner with you in your solar journey. A couple of things to know between now and the installation date is we do aim for around a 4-week time frame between you making the decision and us actually installing solar onto your property. This time frame can extend out due to weather conditions, if you've been booked on a day where there's heavy rainfall, for example, or retailer and network application holdups. So this can extend out, but we do endeavor to get it done within a 4-week window. A couple of things to make sure you have in place for the day of installation is number one, site access. Our team will need to access the roof and obviously bring all the products, panels, inverters into the property. So we like to say, if you've got a driveway, if you can leave that clear so the team can get in with their van and easily access the home. Second thing is you definitely want to check your roof condition. There can be pre-existing damage to tiles, for example, if you have an older home with maybe terracotta tiles. Our team will replace any broken tiles caused by the installation, but in no way can we warrant any existing damage that was already there on the property. So if you are able to put a ladder up and get up on the roof and have a look, maybe take some photos, you will know any existing damage that's there. However, on the day of installation, our team will go up onto the roof, take any photos of existing damage and show you if you are at the property on the day of the installation. We do request that you have spare tiles for the team. If you can't source spare tiles yourself, please request the office to bring spare tiles out to site and we will try and organize that for you. Next thing is your smart meter. You may already have a digital meter, but that may not be solar ready. You'll need to have a bi-directional meter in order to track exported power and be paid the feed-in tariff from your retailer. When we put through your application to install the solar system, we will request for a meter upgrade. That will prompt your retailer to email you through information that you will need to fill out yourself and coordinate with the energy retailer in order to get the new meter swapped over. Sometimes this happens after installation and there can be a 2 to 3 week window where you're not getting paid for the exported power. This is not in Think Renewable's control. It's just the fastest that the process can be done, and you will need to organize the smart meter. Good news is some homes already have the meter and it's a simple click of a button from the retailer in order to start tracking exported power. But a lot of meters are even the old analog ones and they do need to get changed over. That's all. We're really looking forward to getting your solar installation done. It typically takes 1 day for the team to install the system unless you've got a really complex roof and a large array going on there. But typically it takes 1 day.